Hello, welcome back to Rafael P Style. So there was winter, spring, summer season, grilling time is over, and now it's time to clean up our grill, our Videro Gas G4 S. Yeah, so I remove all. I'm scrubbing it a little bit. Look, this is all fat and rest of everything that was falling down into the grill. I'm gonna remove all of this to help myself before I spray it. Yeah, look, all this you can remove it. Look how it ended up. And now I'm gonna add your spray, your grill spray, the one you like, to your to the burners, well, the top of the burners, or everything. Yeah, and also on the grill. Don't worry, it's a chemical stuff. It's okay. We're gonna burn it all. So this is all the rest. We're gonna remove it, discard it, of course. Look, and we are also gonna remove this tray from the back part of the grill, and we are also gonna spray it completely. Yeah, inside of our grill we're gonna also spray it all, everything as well. We want to remove as much as possible and let it ready for the next season. Yeah, everything. Yeah, carefully with the burners. Now I'm gonna cover them all anyway, but just with it when I apply water to it. Yeah, the tray. Yeah, look, everything needs a little bit of time, and I'm gonna throw this away. And now I am gonna cover my burners. Yeah, you see I'm using plastic bag, and also I wrap it a little bit, and now with some water. Look, I don't need much pressure. I'm just doing it like this. You see this regular pressure from water from the rope you have. I said the rope and I meant the hose you have. Yeah, now everything. Yeah, we're gonna remove all the fat and all the unpleasant ashes we got all in our grill. Just wash it up. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of, yeah, for this top side. I'm gonna use it just like that. Look, we are all ready to go. Yeah, now let the water dry it out a little bit. Look, they are all very nice, clean. Yeah, now we're just gonna set it up as it was. Look, I'm gonna place everything inside my grill because I'm gonna turn it on. Yeah, we are gonna just burn it, the rest of it. Yeah, just like sometimes it needs a little bit of outside fire, but sometimes it does it with your burner, not like that. And just gonna turn them all on. Look, I did this one, just turn out like it should. I'm gonna turn everything together for about half an hour, let it there, and after half an hour, look, they are all on. After half an hour you turn it off and you should be done. Look, our side is okay, it looks like that, but at the end it will open, will dry out all the holes, and will come the fire as it should. Look, perfect. Now I'm turning it off after half an hour. Look, very easy. Now we are ready for our winter season to start grilling. So I hope you like it. Take care and cheers. See you in the next video.